Okay.
I know it's when I.
At what point? Okay. It is really tacky if you open the gift that you brought.
Whoops. Is that your gift?
Is that your gift?
No.
Oh.
What is it?
You need to open it.
Open it!
Is it?
Is it the brand?
It's a goblet.
Oh.
It is mine!
I so want that.
Danielle,